Camera function. To take photos or record videos, wake the glasses with a voice command such as, "Hi Rokid, take a photo or start recording video." You can also use the function button single press for photo, press and hold for video. While the camera is active, the camera indicator light will remain steadily lit white. After capturing photos or videos, open the album in the Hi Rokid app and tap Upload to sync them to your phone for viewing and sharing. Tap the settings icon in the album's top right corner to choose among 3 photo sizes. Video settings offer up to 4 resolution options and formats, supporting up to 3K at 30 frames per second. Powered by ChatGPT 5, Rokid AI glasses enable you to ask any question you want. For instance, they support object recognition. Simply say, "Hi Rokid, what is this?" The glasses will identify the object you are looking at and announce the on-screen information via voice. You can also open the Hi Rokid app to view the content announced by the glasses.